guys, I have been neglecting my plants for the last couple weeks. So today I'm just going to be doing a full-on cleaning of them and repotting and everything like that. I am coming up on my last week of school. I'm graduating here in a week, so that's exciting. But the stress of that, and then I've been going through changing them to be fully my own, and doing the single life, and it's been just taken all my energy. So I've been very much not showing the attention my plants deserve, and then I have been loaded with all of the reptiles that we owned. So I've just had a lot on my plate, but I've decided that it's time to get back to my happiness, and I love plants and I don't want to give that up ever again. So yes, let's get into it. So first and foremost, my Ikea greenhouse. I am going to be going through the process of transferring that over into a terrarium build for my lychee. I want to get that fully done, but in the meantime, while there's plants still in it, they look terrible. So let's get into that. Okay, so there are a few plants missing as I had my senior thesis, so some of them were taken, but look how so sad most of these look. I'm so embarrassed, but yeah, okay. And then there are some that are looking good, the ones outside of the greenhouse, they're looking okay, but let's get into this. Okay, so most of them are pretty bad. It's honestly very saddening. But here's my little trash. Yeah, it's just the humidity and everything is just not been kept up. This one, I know that this is what's crazy though, is so this is the Ethereum crystallium, and this was just a bulb for forever, and now it's popping out leaves like crazy, and even a new little growth right there. So some plants have been really good on neglect, which is super exciting. I definitely, when I do terrarium build, I want to include some of these in there, just because I feel they are a little hardier. Okay, so this one obviously is not in my greenhouse, but it's been living in moss, and it was growing quite well, but then if you forget about it, it gets all wilty. So this one's been going yellow, so I'm accepting it's gone, but these ones I think are just wilty, so I think if I replace them and put all this in dirt, it'll be just fine, but super dry. was the video. A little embarrassing, but that is okay. Everything seems to be getting back to normal. I put the humidifier in the greenhouse, so it should be doing fine now. The Vocosium has definitely not jumped back, but I think I'm going to be cutting it up and then just hoping to propagate it and starting over with that guy. But yes, there we are. I will be starting the process of turning this into a terrarium, vivarium thing here soon. So another update on the greenhouse coming your way. Yeah, if you guys liked this video, if you have any advice, if you have neglected your plants lately or have had any big life events that have put your plant life on the back burner, I'd love to hear your guys' stories as well, so I'm not the only one neglecting my little babies. But yes, that is that. I hope you guys have a great week. Happy summer, happy graduation, happy everything to you guys.